Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are going to do March Boxyluxe. That's right. So if you are new to Boxycharm, you don't know what Boxyluxe is. Boxyluxe comes every 3 months. So the next one is going to be in June, and then September, and then December. So it comes every 3 months, and you pay $50 every 3 months. And you get 8 to 9 full-size products, and majority they're all high-end products. So if this is your first time here and you want to know what I got in this month box and you want to see more makeup videos from me, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. The first thing I see is Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. Color Complete. It prevents color fade, UV, and pollution perfection. This is it. And you can see it's a giant, it's full size, which I love. I love this brand of Moroccan Oil. I have tried their products before and I love it. This product is definitely great if you have like dry hair, dry color faded hair, and if you don't have color hair, if you have regular dry hair, your hair is always dry all the time, this will definitely hydrate it, keep it nice and moist and hydrated, and the frizz will instantly go away. So I love this brand so much. Yes, it is a high-end brand and it's a little pricey, but I still feel that it's worth it. So I have the pamphlet is right here, and it says it daily damage, and it helps and protect and weaken the hair, and this retails for $30. That's right, $30 for this. So let's open this up, and to use this style, so I'm gonna shake it up, and this is how it looks like once again. And then I'm gonna put some just in here. I don't want to waste because now since the coronavirus is here, we all have to stretch everything. Because I don't know if you guys are noticing, but when you are making online purchases, everything is double the price. You see, this is $30. If you were to get this on Amazon or any other, so this is gonna go up. Everything is going up. Toothpaste, mouthwash, everything. But anyway, enough of this. So the next thing I got is Nars PowerMatte Lip Pigment. This is how it is in the box. And then you, let's see, open it. This is how it looks like. This is my first item from Nars. I always wanted to try Nars, but that's just one of those products I put it in my Sephora basket, take it out, take it in, but I'm so happy. And this one is in the shade Get Up, Stand Up. And let's see about this. It says the ultimate power couple of powerful concentrated, our most powerful matte fluid pigment compass liquefied pigment with 0 gravity fill. So this is a matte liquid lipstick that is long wearing, and again I got mine in the shade Get Up, Stand Up. So let's see the color and swatch it for you. This is so bright. This is not my color, but I'm gonna do it. But this is great for like the summer or spring. I don't really like this color, but it looks pretty. But I'm gonna make a plum shade purchase and a mauve and a brown shade on with my own money, because this, I think I'm going to use this only one time, but it's very pretty. It's very long wearing. It's not, you don't usually, when you have a matte liquid lipstick, like when you swatch it on your lips, on your hand, like it instantly turns matte and your hand gets like very stiff or whatnot because it's so instantly dried up matte. This is nothing. This is creamy. Oh my god, this is very creamy. Love it. So let's swatch this. You can see. Apply some more. The next thing we got is an eyeshadow palette from Boxycharm. This palette is called Hello Charmer. So Boxycharm created their own eyeshadow palette and it's very limited edition. So if you got yours this month, you are very lucky because it's only for the month of March. You'll be getting these. After that, you're not going to see this palette again. So this is it, how it looks like. It has a bunch of words on it. It says hashtag Boxycharm here, Hello Charmer. And then when you open it, it has a mirror. And then these are the colors. Look how beautiful are these colors. Aren't these colors gorgeous? Before I start this eye tutorial on this palette retails for $39. It has 12 matte shimmery shades. So for this eye look, I'm gonna do something simple, not too dramatic, because I know you guys want on the go simple looks with this Boxycharm eyeshadow palette. So it's gonna be a 1-2 step eye tutorial. It's not gonna be like a lot of blending, a lot of this and a lot of that, because I'm making it very simple on the go situation. So if you're on a rush, you must be on the go, do this like I'm about to do. So I just primed my lids off camera. So let's start with, I'm thinking, what am I gonna do? This one looks beautiful. It's called Swipe Up. Full size looks nice. So let's start with the shade right here that's called Spoiler. It's gonna go to the crease. I'm taking my Profusion crease brush and I'm taking the Spoiler shade. Now I'm just gonna like spray my brush a little bit, and then I'm gonna dip into this one that is called Cup of Joe. It's gonna go to the crease as well. This sparkly blue shade definitely calls my eyes, so I'm gonna use this. Isn't this look so weird? Next we have is PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So we have a cleansing device. That's right, and I got the blue shade. And this is the Smart Facial Cleanser that uses Sonic Glow technology. It has 4 custom molds and brush optimized for all skin types. So let's read more about this. It said PMD Clean, the smart facial cleanser that with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse but provides a way to lift firm and tone problem areas for a more youthful experience. And this retails for $99, which is worth it because this whole box is $50 every 3 months. Love it. So I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see it. This is it, how it looks like. It's very like, this is the exfoliant side and this is the smooth side that you could use serums or whatnot and apply it. And it comes with this little like bowl or whatever, and it's like a stand. You put it on your bathroom sink when you're ready to use it and you just use it. So this is it. So beautiful, right? Love it. So you just do like this and this. Oh, let me guys show it to you right now. Do you guys hear this? Ooh, ooh. Vibration, right? So this will vibrate your skin, exfoliate, it'll do all that good stuff. So you definitely got to check it out. And I just found out that if you didn't have this product this month, you could purchase it. You can purchase this at Ulta Beauty website, but again it will be $100. But I feel that is worth it because I'm a Clarisonic person. I love my Clarisonic Mew 2 cleansing device. And this is like almost like the same price as Clarisonic, so this is obviously worth it. Love it. It's very small and it's great for traveling. Oh my gosh, the next thing I got is Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. This is in the package. Yeah. Curling iron. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. This is how it is in the packaging. like this Sutra mini curling iron. And then when you open it, it's like this, a mini curling iron. This is so cool. I really like this curling iron. It's so good for traveling. You just like curl your hair and whatnot. So pretty. And this curling iron, style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature at 370 degrees. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep hair healthy and even heat distribution and adjustable temperature control. And this retails for $50. So it's kind of great that we are getting hair tools and Boxycharm, which is great. I know they got it before. Last time they got a blow dry. I missed out on that. But this curler wine is great because I already have a hair dryer. So this is so pretty, this curling iron. Great. We have Deborah Lippman duo nail polish. So this is how it looks in the box. And then when I open it, are these two cute little nail polishes. Aren't these cute? Oh my god, these nail polishes are so pretty. This is great for the spring now, but we can't enjoy the spring, we can't enjoy the summer because of this coronavirus. So, very disappointing, right? But anyways, so this is it. It's so pretty, and this dual set is called Fire on the Horizon. And let's read more about Deborah Lippman nail polishes. It's very high-end, very luxurious. You can see the bottle is so fancy and so cute. So let's read about it. Okay, the new healthy alternative to gel. So these are gel polishes. Gel polish combining the technology of Gel Lab Pro with nail color duo powder formula with 10 active ingredients help deliver health, wear, and shine. And this duo set retails for $19. So you get these two duo set in this little cute box for $19. And the shade of this box is Fire on the Horizon. So, which is great. Like it. You want me to swatch it? I'll go ahead and swatch it. So, okay, so this one right here, yes, the two says Fire on the Horizon. This one says Fire on the Horizon. So, I'm going to swatch it on my nail so you guys can see the color. This is it. It's like the same color as the Nars Pigment, to be honest. Look how pretty. And I know, guys, I know last week my nails was long. I just cut it because I was very nerve-wracking because of coronavirus, all the updates and stuff like that. But anyways, this is it. Great for the summer. Love it. Pretty, gorgeous. Yeah, and this one is called Fire on the Horizon. And now this Pepto pink color is called Can't Stop the Feeling. So pretty, right? So I'm gonna swatch it now. This is it. This is it. The pink one's called Can't Stop the Feeling. Pretty. So these are two colors. It's very pretty. I like it, but definitely have to play with these nail polish more because they're super bright, but $19. Now we have a skincare product. That's right, we have a duo set off of the Janiero. So we have a duo set that retails for $15 for these two little babies. By itself, if you were to get these separately in Sephora, these little sizes, these travel sizes, it will be $20 each, because I've seen it in Sephora for these little ones, or 20 bucks each, so it's like $40 right here. But with Boxycharm, you get these two duo set for just $15. That's right. So this is the classic Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Really love it. Definitely hydrating. And this is the Coco Cabana Cream. I've talked about this in one of my favorites videos, and I really love this stuff so much, especially the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Amazing. So glad that I have more, and I can't wait to keep using it, because these little ones cost $20 each. Why is it so expensive? I know it's from Brazil, yada yada, but it's so pricey. Anyway, let's read more about this duo set. It said this dual body cream completes with Brazilian bubble cream, which helps to visit the tighten the appearance of skin with active pistachio and salted caramel scent. The Coco Cabana body cream provides 72 hours of hydration with deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchard, and toasted praline. Yeah, and like I said, it retails for $15. The moment you've been waiting for. The last and final product that is in this Boxyluxe box of March 2020 is I have Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil. This is how it is in the box, and then when I open it, it's like this, and I got the shade Raven. So it's an eye pencil duo right here. It's like that, so I'm gonna swatch it right now. So pretty. One thing I love about this Elizabeth Mott gel liner is that it is very creamy. Very creamy. It glides on well. This almost reminds me of the Urban Decay 24-hour glide on eyeliners, and also the drugstore version of the LA Girl eyeliners too. It's very smooth. I definitely like it. It doesn't take a long time to go on your lids. I like it's very smooth. It glides well, and this is definitely a dupe of the Urban Decay 24-hour glider. And if you want a very affordable dupe, is the LA Girl gel on liner. Those are amazing as well. And this Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Creamy Eye Pencil in the shade Raven retails for what? Oh my god, guess what, guys? They gave me another one. So it comes with two. So this is the Raven, and this one is the pearl and whatnot. So may I put the pearl here? Well, I did nothing, but So it comes with 2 creamy eye pencils for $40. So they're $20 each. I don't like this one. This one maybe I use for the tear dog or for under my brows or whatnot. This pearl shade, see how light it is, like a nude shade. This is not what I like. I'm into dark liners. So this is it, and this dual set retails for $40. This is all in this month box for Boxyluxe, March Boxyluxe 2020. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what I got in this month Boxyluxe box for this month, again it comes with 8 to 9 full-size products. Everything is high-end. If you like what I got and tell me which product did you like and you want to try it out for yourself, please let me know, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Don't miss out. All the fun, new, more makeup and skincare is going to come up very soon. And be safe and be well. And please don't panic about the coronavirus. Just take a deep breath. Do some meditation. Do inhale and exhale breathings. Keep yourself occupied. Do some cleaning your house, organizing, anything. Do something. Do puzzles. If you have like activity books, do it. Read or whatnot. Do something to keep yourself. I would watch movies. Just keep yourself occupied so you get your mind off of the coronavirus. So inhale, exhale, and meditate. Keep your mind in peace. I'll see you in my next video.